everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chinwe. How are you all doing? Today's video is on spring makeup look. Yes, spring makeup tutorial. And hot lips. Oh yes. Okay, so please, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Okay, it's really going to make me happy. And also you want to see how I achieved this look that is so on fleek. Oh yes, it's all in the video. Okay, so do not forget to give the video a thumbs up and leave me comments and share as well. All right, so do not forget to turn on your notification bell so that when there's an update or upload, you'll be the first to get it. All right, thank you all so much. Thank you very much. I'll see you. Bye. Okay, so I'll start by doing my eyebrows. I have a video on eyebrows tutorial, so you can go and check it out. Yeah, so I'm going to clean up my eyebrows using my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and the shade is Fawn. Okay, and this is also the brush I will be using. So this is my blending brush. I'm just going to use it to blend it out very well and make it neat. Okay, so I love it. I will be prepping my face, and I'm using this serum, okay, as my moisturizer for my face. I'm just going to massage it in. Get my face ready. So I always do this to conceal the spots on my face. This is Fawn Concealer. Yeah, LA Girl Fawn Concealer. Blend it in before I apply my foundation. Okay, so this is the foundation I'm using, Flawless Ivy, and the shade is Honey 600. It's highlighting time, so I'm using Kutan LA Girl to highlight. I'm going to be doing a powder contour, and I'll be using this Blossom powder palette and the dark shade to contour my face. Okay, so I'll be using this one here. So to contour my nose, I'll be using LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this shade is Chestnut. So I'm setting my face using Sacha Buttercup setting powder. Okay, so for the look I'm creating today, I'm going to be using a lot of colors, okay, and I'm going to be using colors from different eyeshadow palettes, and I'll be starting with this one, 16 color in a box. So I'll begin with my transition color. So this is like a dark brown color. Juvia's palette is next, and from here I will be using this color, okay, and it is a Mino, so I'm going to use it to intensify. Wow, see? So I'm going to be using my eyeshadow primer to do a cut crease. Okay, so from Juvia's Place palette, I'll be using this shade, okay? It's like orange, and it is Dahomey. Yes, Dahomey. Okay, so the next color is from the 16 color in a box eyeshadow palette, and I'll be using this one. Yeah. From Juvia's Place palette, I'll be using this one. It's gold and it's backward. I'm going to blend out my transition color using this purple to blend it out. Oh wow, can you see that? Then I'm going to use my blending brush as well to just blend it out properly. I'm going to be using the purple to smoke my under eye. Oh wow, look at that. This is spring look, all colorful, vibrant. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead now and apply my lashes. Yes, my false lashes. Okay, so I'm going to be applying my lipstick now, and I'm using classic lipstick, and this is purple. So I'll be using my pink pencil for my inner lip. Okay, so I'll be using my lip gloss. Oh wow, look at that. I love this. It's beautiful. Wow. Okay, so I'm just going to apply my finishing powder to finish up the look. I hope you love it too. So please start leaving me your comments and tell me what you think about this spring look. Okay? Thank you. Oh my god, I'm looking like a snack. Oh wow. Oh wow, I love. Okay, I just love. What's there not to love? This is beautiful, right? Okay, so the next thing, I'm just going to apply my highlighter, and the highlighter I'll be using is from Blossom palette. Yes, this palette here, I'm going to be using the highlighter from here. Be using this one here. I always love my highlighter to be, you know, mild. Wow. Oh wow. And then I'm not going to forget my nose. Oh wow. Now this is the finished look. Now what do you think? This is beautiful. Like, this is so on fleek. This is makeup so fleek. I love it. I love this spring look. Okay, so I'm just still going to apply this highlighter here. Oh yes. Oh yes, you can see that. Wow, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Thank you all for watching. In fact, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to click on the button and turn on the bell so that when there's a notification, you'll be the first to get it. And then leave me your comments and share the video and give the video a thumbs up as well. I'll see you again. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.